112 Pelham Street, freshly renovated, double carport, 1,025 square metres, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, fresh paint, new flooring, new kitchen, looking fresh, well set up, great veranda, fire pit, barbecue area. Great first home buyer. Good little neighbourhood, well presented home, ready for you to move in today. But if you're looking for an investment property to give you good return and you want to get rented out straight away, this is a property that ticks a lot of boxes for everyone that's on our list looking for rental properties today. You don't want to sit there and have to worry about if it's going to get rented out in a month. I can guarantee that this will go very fast. You can put it on the rental market today. Great views, well-established trees, walk to town, nice parks. You've got the pool just around the corner, so spring is heating up just like the real estate market. So if you want to go to the pool and cool off, you've got a short walk there. You can ride your bike if you want. There's plenty of paths. There's a little exercise park there as well. If you want to get in here and get something today, give me a call. This is the one you want to buy because it won't last long.